Yeah, good morning. One numerical you can expect on total internal reflection is the numerical of a prism. So, in a prism experiment, a ray starts from the left side of the prism, goes inside the prism, and on the right hand side, it comes out. Now, they will ask you at what angle of incident you should strike the first surface so that on the second surface, the ray does not emerge out but totally internally reflects. So for this, you must find out the angle of incidence on the second surface, keeping the angle of refraction as 90 degrees. Once you find this angle of incidence, apply the rule that the sum of angles of all the quadrilateral is 360 degrees. You will be able to find the angle of incident at which the first ray will strike so that the total internal reflection happens at the second surface. Thank you.